You need to have the right nutrition in the right way in order to be able to calm down the inflammatory part of your immune system and repair the damage that has been done. An autoimmune disease is a disruption in immune function. Our immune system has different functions. It's supposed to fight viruses, bacteria, and even cancer cells. With an autoimmune disease, your immune system gets confused and it starts to create antibodies against your own cells and tissues, and it starts destroying your own cells and tissues. If you have been deficient or something has happened in your life, your immune system and your cells are not going to function normally. When your immune system is not functioning properly, it is going to show up in many different ways, such as brain fog, memory loss, diabetes, heart disease, cancer. A lot of people can sound smart online and they can provide a lot of education for you, a lot of free education and free tips, but they don't have the results to share with you that what they're teaching actually works for people. So before listening to their advice, ask them for real results based on the client's symptoms improving or reversing fully within 6 weeks, like most of our clients do in our program, as well as their labs normalizing.